This video will show you how to replace the lower sash tilt latches on a Siteline double-hung window. First, use a putty knife to remove the tilt latch covers and gain access to the screws. Next, remove the two screws holding the tilt latch in place. For reinstallation, note that the longer screw is installed toward the jamb. Now, remove the old tilt latch. To install the new tilt latch, place it in the cavity in the same orientation as the old one. Drive in both screws. Finally, gently snap the tilt latch cover back into place and test for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.